Ever wondered what it really takes to survive when no one is coming to help? Forget the movies, forget the TV shows. Today, we're diving into 11 survival rules that could literally save your life. Rules most people never talk about. We're going beyond just finding water or building a fire. This is about the psychological game of survival, the stuff that happens when you're pushed to the absolute limit. These aren't just tips. They're hardcore, non-negotiable rules for staying alive when the world goes sideways. Each rule builds up to a final, ultimate rule that changes everything. So get ready, this isn't your average survival video. The last rule is the one thing that separates survivors from statistics. Let's get into it. Rule number 1. Trust your instincts. Your gut feeling is a survival tool hardwired into your DNA. Ignore it, and you risk everything. Your brain processes millions of signals, sounds, sights, vibes, long before you consciously notice. That uneasy feeling? It's your early warning system. Special forces and wilderness experts agree, the moment you ignore your gut, things go wrong. Practice listening to your instincts in daily life so they're loud and clear when it matters. Before you build a shelter or find food, sense danger first. Trusting your instincts isn't paranoia, it's smart survival. This rule alone can keep you out of trouble before it even starts. Rule 2. Stay calm under pressure. Panic is your real enemy. It clouds judgment and wastes energy. When fear hits, stop and breathe. Use box breathing. In for 4 seconds. Hold, out for 4, hold, repeat. This calms your body and brings your thinking brain back online. Only when you're calm can you assess threats and make smart decisions. Being calm doesn't mean you're not scared. It means you control your fear. Remember, STOP. Stop, think, observe, plan. Mastering your mind under stress is a survival superpower. Next time panic rises, breathe, reset, and act with purpose. Calm is the difference between a life-saving decision and a fatal mistake. Train this skill. It's essential. Rule 3. Conserve your energy. In survival, your energy is your currency. Every calorie counts. Don't rush to do everything at once. Survival is a marathon, not a sprint. Move deliberately. Ask, is this necessary right now? Is there a smarter way? Avoid sweating and overexertion. Both drain your reserves fast. Strategic laziness is a skill rest when you can. Work smart and always budget your energy. Your body is your only engine. Don't burn it out on day one. In the wild, hustling 24/7 will kill you. Pace yourself, and you'll last long enough to get rescued or reach safety. Conserve to survive. Rule 4. Never reveal all your resources. In a crisis, showing your full hand, food, water, skills, makes you a target. Keep a private stash only you know about. It's your emergency reserve when group supplies run out. Don't advertise your skills unless you're ready for the consequences. Information is a resource too. Share only what's necessary. Think of it as strategic security, not selfishness. Keep your main pack visible, but hide a smaller kit on you or nearby. This secret cache is your edge when others hit rock bottom. In survival, planning for the worst isn't paranoia. It's smart. Protect your resources and you protect yourself. Play your cards close. Rule 5. Adapt to your environment. The plan that worked yesterday might fail today. Flexibility is survival. If your shelter floods, move. If your water source dries up, find another. See opportunity in everything. A broken car is a toolkit, not junk. Your environment is always changing. Learn, improvise, and adjust. Don't get stuck on one idea. Rigidity is fatal. The best survivors are creative and quick to change course. Adaptation is your greatest weapon. Rule 6. Silence is golden. In survival, talking can give away your position to people or predators. Move quietly, listen more than you speak, and use hand signals when possible. In groups, silence prevents conflict and lets you observe more. The quietest person often has the best read on the situation. Silence is tactical. Don't waste it. Listen, watch, and gather information. In a loud world, the silent operator has the advantage. Don't give it away. Rule 7. Always have an exit plan. No place is ever truly safe. Always know at least 2 ways out. Before settling in, identify escape routes, doors, windows, weak spots. Think like a hunted animal. Multiple exits mean survival. Keep a go bag with essentials ready to grab in seconds. Don't get attached to your shelter. Be ready to leave everything behind. This mindset applies everywhere. Rooms, streets, camps. Tactical awareness isn't paranoia, it's survival. Your exit plan is only good if you can execute it instantly. Never get trapped. Rule 8. Blend in, don't stand out. The gray man theory. Be so average and forgettable that you're invisible. Flashy gear, loud voices, or obvious strength make you a target. Dress in neutral colors, act average, and avoid drawing attention. Suppress your ego and resist the urge to show off. The quiet observer survives while others fight for dominance. Social stealth is powerful. Be helpful, but not indispensable. In the long run, the invisible survivor outlasts the hero. Be forgettable. Be invisible. Rule 9. Learn to read people. The most dangerous threats often walk on 2 legs. Watch body language, tone, and actions, not just words. Notice changes when sensitive topics come up: food, water, weapons. Trust patterns, not promises. Actions reveal true intentions. Practice this skill daily. Observe, listen, and learn. The better you read people, the safer you'll be. Your life may depend on it. Rule 10. Prioritize your needs. The rule of 3s. 3 minutes without air, 3 hours without shelter, 3 days without water, 3 weeks without food. This is your survival checklist. Focus on what kills fastest. In extreme conditions, shelter comes first, then water. Food is a long-term problem. Safety is part of every step. Always stay aware. Ruthless prioritization keeps you alive and prevents wasted energy. When overwhelmed, return to the rule of 3s. Solve the most urgent problem first, then move on. Shelter, water, food, in that order. Stay focused, stay alive. Rule 11. Never, ever give up hope. Hope is the ultimate survival tool. It fuels every step, every effort. Lose hope, and you're already lost, no matter your skills or gear. Psychogenic death is real. When you give up mentally, your body follows. Every survival story is powered by hope, not just skill. Focus on small, achievable goals. One more fire, one more bottle of water. Each small win builds momentum and keeps you fighting. Mental strength is your greatest weapon. Protect it. Never let go of hope, no matter how bad it gets. Survivors refuse to quit. There you have it. 11 rules that go beyond the basics and get to the core of real survival. From trusting your gut to the power of hope, these principles keep you in the fight when everything goes wrong. It's not just about gear, it's about mindset. If you want more survival tips and challenges, hit like and subscribe. Which rule surprised you most? Drop a comment below. I hope you never need these rules, but remember them if you do. Stay prepared, stay smart, and have safe adventures. See you next time.